Welcome back. You're still tuned into Halftime Report on CNBC-TV18. Well, two stocks that came on my radar, HDFC Life and SBI Life from the Nifty pack. It has been a good week for the insurance companies and stocks as well. So right now as well, both of them at the day's high, surging in how 1.3% higher on HDFC Life, and SBI Life too is surging in trade with gains of around 0.9%. But this week itself, both stocks are up anywhere between 6 to 8%. That's about the insurance space, but in the broader markets, Hindustan Aeronautics is trading under pressure as government has floated an offer to sell up to 3.5% of its over 75% stake in the company. Vivek is joining us with more details on this one. Vivek.
Well, absolutely right. So, Hindustan Aeronautics is the stock in focus. In order to meet the minimum public shareholding norms, the government has decided to offload almost 3.5% stake if in case, the entire subscription or the entire offer is subscribed. So 1.75 is the base and another 1.75 is the upsize option. Now, when you're talking about this particular OFS, the base price is at 2,450 rupees a share, a 6.5% discount to yesterday's closing price. Now, a couple of important points to track as far as HAL is concerned. We have two brokerages that have reacted to this particular development. First, Morgan Stanley says that this OFS will now go ahead and increase the free float outstanding of the stock price, and it actually goes ahead and removes the overhang as the market, according to them, was anticipating a greater than 5% likely stake sale by the government. Now, what they're saying is that they would be looking to use any stock weakness to add to their positions. Now, another very interesting note that's been written by Nuvama Alternative and Quantitative Research. Now, what they say is that the government stake sale, will lead to an increase in the free float of the stock. HAL is one of the top contenders to enter the MSCI Standard Index, in the upcoming May review. So according to them, the probable cutoff level as far as the stock price is concerned, after the increase in the free float, comes down now to 2,150 rupees a share, and they anticipate likely inflows of close to $195 million if HAL does come into the MSCI index. Very interesting development. Interesting to wait and watch how this plays out.
Take that point, Vivek. Thanks a lot for that. Moments ago, we were talking about the possibility of a breakout on the upside. Well, it perhaps may have been playing out right now. The Nifty Bank is back above the 20-day moving average. It's moved to the high point of trade led by HDFC Bank, and as a result of which, the Nifty spiked to the high point of trade just below that 17,200 mark. So keep an eye out on this. May play out to be an interesting second half of trade. The Nifty just 10 points shy of 17,200. Take a short break, come back. On the other side, we'll put spotlight on loan growth in the banking space in our special segment, Fin Street.